once you've done the video portion, once you've done the text, the only other thing to do is there can be transitions. It says add a transition in between each scene. You can do a transition. When you click on that, it gives you a few options. It could be a slide, a scale, a spin. Let's just say we want spin there. And let's say here for this transition, we'll do a push. For this transition, we will do a fade. And for the last transition, we'll do a dissolve. So that's how we do transitions. And then the final piece is adding music. So we started with video, then we did text, now we're adding music. The same place where we had stock media, we can type in music. And here when you click on music, certainly it's not going to have the student's favorite artists. A lot of times in classrooms, they want to hear a song or a beat for a specific artist. The great thing about Google Vids is all these items are royalty free. There are no copyright issues, the videos and the music and things of that nature. So it gives you types of music: alternative and punk, children's cinematic, country, dance, electric, holiday. I would like to do happy. So it gives moods: angry, bright, calm. I would like to do happy. And when I click on happy, Christmas Village. So to listen to it, you just press the play button. So I like this that says good starts. So once you found the music that you like, there are a couple of ways you can add it to your project. You can press the plus sign. It will insert audio. But if you notice what happened, I had my cursor right here towards the end. So it put my music at the end, but I would like my music to be at the beginning. So certainly there's never any mistakes that have been made. Just like Google Video, just like Google Docs or anything like that, you can always hit the undo button. And so now I will put my cursor at the beginning. And I mentioned you can hit the plus sign. I like good starts. You can also just drag your music. So now it has my music at the bottom. So now here, these are audio waves, and the music doesn't exactly start at the beginning. So the same way that we can edit the video, we can edit our audio. Put my cursor at the edge, drag it in to like the audio waves start, and then move this to the side. And again, this is just a rough version, just a tutorial showing you the possibilities for students to demonstrate their understanding in core subjects, not just in electives, but in a math subject to make math creative. Certainly this can be done in English, science, and social studies. And this is just, showing you around, giving you a feel, sparking your creativity for what students can do to make it so engaging for them, to make sure students don't actually zone out, but to make assignments fun for the students and fun for a teacher to review. So certainly the answer was a little bit quick, so we could just extend that part out. And if the answer was hard to see, we could take the video off the background. That's always an option. I did Control and right click, detach video from the background. And if it was hard to see, we could make the video like this. And maybe just put a color in the background. Again, just make the background green is what we had. Or whatever the case may be. So the video doesn't have to be on the full background. But either way, that is a tutorial of Google Vids. so powerful in the classroom. Certainly, there are a couple of options to share. There is an option to download as an MP4. There's also an option to share with the teacher. You can press share and put the teacher's name and send them a link. And certainly if you have access to Google Classroom, this can be an assignment that the teacher puts in Google Classroom and the student just presses turn in. But this is a new platform from Google, so powerful, student video assignments, going from worksheets to videos. Really boosts engagement, can really increase retention. If you have any questions, put them in a chat. Let me know. What are your thoughts? How will you use this in the classroom? And I'm always here to help. Reach out to me if you would like to work one-on-one.